Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. Tune into the Market Beast edition. Yes, it is our fellow compadre speaking, and I'd like to go over something very interesting with you all. This is not to cause any panic in the markets, okay? This is my speculative observation that could be totally wrong, okay? So please just listen to what I'm about to say. Hear me out. Have an open mind, okay? And let's go ahead and go over the Zoom details. If you're just stopping in, welcome. You're probably like, who is this weirdo talking on the mic? I'm nobody, guys. I'm just going to go over some weird technical details on Zoom. So we'd love for you to join us if you find any valuable information or if this actually comes to fruition. So hang tight there. Loyal subscribers, welcome back. The YouTube algorithm would really appreciate it if you could just leave a comment and an appropriate thumb to support the channel and the videos here, okay? So let's get into what I found. This is really simple, okay? There's just one level that would prevent this from happening or make this come to fruition. So let's dive into the charts here, shall we? All right. So today's March the 2nd, 2021, and the current price of Zoom is going to be $374.45. It's down approximately 8.7% for the day. Okay. All right, so obviously the markets are open. Guys, I don't like the way this is looking. I really don't. Here's what we've been following. That's it, really simple. Ladies and gentlemen, what you are looking at is two lines, and not two lines. You're looking at this range here, okay? It's in between $375 all the way up to $433. Zoom opened above $333 and has given back everything, guys. Zoom appears to be setting up for a very nasty move to the downside. Okay, this is not a scare tactic. This doesn't mean sell your Zoom. Please don't listen to me. Please execute your strategy, the one that you predetermined before you hit that buy button. Okay, you guys know I've been following Zoom. Okay, I've been following Zoom to a T. Zoom had until February the 22nd of this month. Hopefully we left of last month. Hopefully left a link so you can actually listen into why I was saying Zoom had till February the 22nd to get above $475. This is the most important level. I don't care what's going on in the markets or what Zoom does or the earnings or anything. $475. Zoom needs to get above this level. Otherwise, Zoom is not in a position of strength. Please understand. The sellers are still interested in pushing this price to the downside, okay? They have positions open below $336 and even below this red line at $279. They want to close their positions. What does that mean, Mr. Napoleon? That means if you see a catastrophic move to the downside, that wouldn't be out of the ordinary for me. The level to prevent this from taking place is $375. It appears that it's getting compromised right now. We still have 2 days and 1 hour to close on this candle. I think there were some good earnings that came out. Guys, I don't care. This is why I don't listen to anything else other than technical data. Okay? The technical data is suggesting there's about to be a move that's going to shake. It's going to shake every stinking bull out of this market. I know I'm talking like that, but guys, I'm telling you, this is not a joke. I've done some technical research on the higher time frame that suggests. All right, let me just go over the level. The first level is $375. We've already gone over that. Okay, if the $375 level cannot hold as sufficient support, I'm gonna say at least over the next. It has to do it over the next 2 days. So by let's see, March the 5th, 2021. If Zoom is not just kind of holding above 375, it's going to move lower. It's going to move lower. And the next two targets, I hope I'm wrong about this, okay? I really hope I'm wrong, but the way this candle is setting up, this is an intentional candle. Remember, I look at candlesticks every day, all day. This is an intentional candle right here. You see this candle? It just opened on March the 2nd today. This is a very aggressive candle. It just opened. It's already down below the support line, the most important support line for me at $375. This is not good. It's happening too fast. If this is going to reverse, okay, let me be very clear about this. If the buyers are going to undo this, they need to step into this market within the next week and get this price above $475. This week, I don't want to say next week. No. This week, it needs to get above and stay above $475. Otherwise, the market is under pressure, some real pressure. Okay? Real pressure. All right? And I'm saying the same thing over and over and over. 375 is the first level. Next level, $278. Okay? I'm not saying it's going to happen this week, but I'm telling you about it. The buyers got to, because there's a very unique way that I look at the candlesticks and also a moving average. Okay? The buyers need to step in this market now. Okay? I know I'm talking weird, guys, but this is not a joke, because I know a lot of people are heavily invested in Zoom. There's too many bulls. Too many bulls. In my opinion. I hope I'm wrong. If that level fails, this yellow line here is currently at about, if it happens this week, it's at $235. Okay. Again, this video is not to cause any panic. If you're panicking, that means you don't have a strategy and you're over leveraged in this market. You might want to kind of check that, okay, before you hit those buy buttons. If it happens next week, March the 5th and beyond, okay, you're talking about a $233 Zoom. Okay, it goes in increments of 2 the lower it goes. But this is, I don't really want to reveal the lower target. Let's do this. There's a lower target. Let's just close this out. Okay, because the buyers do have an opportunity to step in this market. 375, it needs to stay above, close above, stay above. Not even stay above, because the way this candle is looking, no, it has to get above 475 now. Now it must do it, because I'm convinced that the sellers haven't gone anywhere. They've just been accumulating, okay, to move this price to the downside, okay? Here's where they stepped into the market right here, $570, okay? October the 19th. Excuse me, it sounds like I say okay a lot. Okay. They stepped into the market. They pushed the price down. Lower high, down, lower low. Up, lower high, down, lower low. Up, lower high. Okay? So now the seller's obligation is to push the price to the downside. 375. Ooh, has to hold, man. If not, they're coming for that 336. They might bust through that 336. And they're coming straight to 280. I'm telling you, it's going to go straight to 280. I don't think there's going to be any support at the 336 level. Okay? I don't think there's going to be any support. No. I hope I'm wrong, but I hope everything that I'm saying right now just simply goes away tomorrow. But yeah, the way it's looking, Let's close it out here, guys. So you have the level, 375. Next 48 hours, crucial. The buyers got to stop these sellers out now. Because if it gets any more out of control, it's gonna get out of control. I'm just letting you know that now. It's gonna get out of control. Okay, to the downside. All right. So that's it. Hopefully, I'm not gonna leave any poop emoji on the thumbnail. I have respect for my Zoom family. But I truly wanted to step in and just kind of let everyone know that, listen, okay, if you're long Zoom, 375, hopefully that's in a thumbnail, 375, okay? Has to stay above that level. We'll close it out, guys. Thank you for your time. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if you enjoyed the content. If you think I'm a lunatic, let me know that down in the comment section. I know I repeat myself a lot. But I don't like the way these sellers have stepped into this market. This is not pretty, man. This is not pretty. If you're new here, before you go, we also cover if you're like into like the alternative markets, Bitcoin and altcoins. We cover that. Subscribe, hit the bell. We'll see that information when it's available. They've covered everything. Yes, good, out we go. Take care of yourselves. Protect your portfolio. This is the time. You must protect your portfolio, okay? Execute your strategies. It's super important, okay? I don't like to see people lose money. I've been there. It sucks. We're going to talk soon, guys. Zoom family. Bye for now.